What's up, Mythic Crew? Welcome back to another video here in sunny Arizona. We now have another new car to the channel, introducing the 2006 Ford Mustang. It's lowered, it's on coils. It needs some body work. It's my first V8 vehicle. We are about to take it on a little road trip, me and my buddy Nick, so let's start the adventure and get rolling. We have made it down to the saloon. Pretty cool area. Nice little cruise through the canyon roads. We'll get some shots of that on the way back. Now we're gonna eat some barbecue. Alright everybody, we are back from the road trip. Sun is setting. It was a great time ripping through the canyons, ate some barbecue food, just another chill ass Sunday. Now my buddy Nick is leaving in his Subaru, parked the Mustang, gonna run inside and prep for the week.